Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Harini Anand Kumar, and this is the first part of Journaling My Journey with Python series. The part 1 of this series deals with web programming with Django, and this is the introduction of part 1. So let's jump right into it. Let's begin with what the series is not about. So the series is not about any of the definitions. I'm not going to be sharing any definitions or what a model is, what a view is, or what's the data structure used, or classes, or the backend SQL. I will not be sharing any of the computer science concept. I think there are about a million channels out there which teach you with SQL basics or any computer science concept you would want to learn. So I will not be sharing any of these resources here. So now that we know what this is not about, let's jump to what it is about. So the focus of the series is to share few links and to share my progress. So what I'm aiming to achieve here is, I think most people believe there are 3 levels of Python developer. I think there's a beginner level, there is an intermediate level, and there's an expert level, which is not at all in this series. So the beginner knows all the definitions, functions, classes, inheritance, most of the concepts. Either you learn it through a course or through your college curriculum. And then intermediate, you're able to make use of those resources and have some applications, like create few web applications or work on some data using the Python data science projects, or you're doing some system design, or you do many other applications, or you're able to crack few tough interviews. And there is a me level in between the beginner and the intermediate level, which is me right now. Kind of knowing all the beginner stuff. I want to move towards the intermediate level, but somehow there is a lag because there is no application to the concepts which I've learned. So what I would be doing in this series is, I've been through many million channels, and what I've not seen someone journal out their progress from this intermediate me level to from me level to the intermediate level. So what I would be doing here is share those few links and resources or courses which I am following currently, and then I'm going to journal out my progress. That is, if a resource has some 4 or 5 projects attached to it, and I'll make sure that I complete it and put out my progress in the series. By doing this, 2 things happen. I learn it and make some progress. That's the main aim. Secondly, I think there are a few others in the me boat as me. I think there are some other people stuck here who are trying to navigate towards the intermediate level, but just rereading the same stuff about classes and functions and Dijkstra's and algorithms and everything, but not being able to apply it out. So as I struggle to navigate from this level to intermediate level, I thought it would be reasonable to journal the whole thing out and put it out for someone who's in the same boat. So yeah. So when it comes to Django, I am currently focused on, I believe these are the 2 resources which are the most helpful as I'm still working on the projects on them. So the first one is Python Crash Course by MATTHES. People would say this is a beginner level course. That's true, but there is a part 2 in the same book which talks about web application through Django, where he explains where he does a project and you get a hang of Django well. So I think people who are interested should definitely check this out. And he gives a couple of exercises and he asks us to do a project as well. Uh, I'm going to put out that project in the coming series or the coming weeks. The second one is the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is one of the best courses ever out there for web programming with Python. This teaches you nearly everything. And it gives you about 6 projects, out of which I think I might have done few, which again I will journal out my progress in the later weeks. I think I might put out every videos every week, and there is a video out there. The second project is already out there. Hope this finds people who want this resource. I hope to see you more in the coming weeks and journal my Python journey. Thanks. Have a great day. Thank you.